Hi everyone, Said here. In today's video I'm going to teach you a new infographic slide which looks a little hard to design, but it is so easy. First, let's check it out. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful slide in PowerPoint. But before we start, let me tell you that you can download all the templates I have designed, that is over 3000 mind-blowing slides for only $10. This price will be valid for 1 month. The download link is in the bio. Alright, let's dive in and start today's tutorial. Start by drawing these two shapes. Select both of them and set their diameter to 3.2. Open the Format Shape panel and increase the transparency to 50%. Align each shape to the center and middle. Then select them and group them. Duplicate the group and change its diameter to 5. Bring it to the center and send it back. Now select the arrow tools and draw 5 arrows in these positions. We don't need this shape anymore, so delete it. Open the Format Shape panel again. Select all the shapes, hold Ctrl and deselect this one. Change the end arrow type to this style. Set the end arrow size to maximum. Then change the dash type and the color. Now select the circle and press Ctrl-Shift-G to ungroup it. Delete the top shape, then replace the other one with this shape. Use the yellow handles to adjust it. Remove the fill color and change the outline color. Now draw a small circle here. And don't forget to change its color. Repeat this for the other parts. Press Ctrl-A to select everything and group it. Draw another circle. Set the diameter to 2.5. Align it to the middle and center. Fill it with a gradient fill. Delete these two spots. Use green for this spot and white for this one. Drag this handle a little bit and change the angle to 135 degrees. Remove its outline and add a drop shadow in this direction. Set the blur to 25 and the distance to 12. Add a text box and type your number. I'm using the Objective Black font style. The download link is in the description. Now draw this triangle and set its height and width to 2 inches. Place it here and make a copy like this. Add a drop shadow to this shape in this direction. Set the blur to 25 and distance to 12. Change the size of this triangle to 5 and place it here. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the background color and remove its outline. Press Ctrl-A, then hold Shift and drag everything slightly downward. Now add your icons and titles to the slide. If you don't know how to add icons, go to the Insert tab and choose them from the Icons menu. Now it is time to animate everything. For this shape, add a zoom animation. Set it to start with previews and the duration to 1.5 seconds. For the number, choose the float in animation. It starts with previews and set the duration to 1.25 seconds. For the icons and titles, use the fade animation. They start with previews, set the duration to 1.5 seconds and add a 1.25 second delay. Finally, add a fly-in animation to the main title. Choose from left for the direction, starts with previews, set the duration to 2 seconds, and add a 0.75 second delay. Open the Properties window and set the bounce end to 1.3 seconds. And that's it. Your PowerPoint is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.